You're so silly, Tarzus. Go get it. You love snow, don't you? You gonna bring that all back in the house with you? Huh? Are you gonna bring that all back in the house? Yes. Come here, Susie. Sterling's barking at you. Sterling says, give me the toy. Give me the toy. Tarzus, Sterling wants your toy. Uh-oh, did you find something? Come here, bud. Make him stand. There. Yeah. He's a sweet boy. Tarzus, look at me. Okay. Pretty boy.